Fluid. Fluid is a substance that flows under the action of an applied force and doesn't have a shape of its own. For example, liquids and gases. They take the shape of the container in which they are stored. यहाँ पे मैंने आपको काफ़ी सारे कंटेनर दिखाए हैं. You can easily observe जिस कंटेनर में आप लिक्विड डालोगे उसी कंटेनर में लिक्विड अपनी शेप ले लेगा. Those substances which can flow easily are called fluids. Example same, it is a liquid and gas. Fluids also have the weight, so fluids also exert the pressure on the container in which they are closed. In this animation, all of you observe this. When we put some liquid in the bottle, the liquid applies the pressure on the balloon and balloon bulges in the outward direction. If you increase more water, then bulging will be more because pressure given by the liquid is given by h rho g. H is the height, so pressure depends on the height and this balloon will bulge in the outward direction. A fluid exerts pressure in all direction, even upward. Suppose I say there is a block inside the liquid. Then each and every surface, if this is the cuboid, then cuboid में कितनी surface होती? 6 surface. So on each and every surface, the pressure will applied, and due to the pressure, force will act. So this pressure, let I say, this pressure is F1 and this force is F2. All of you know very well, here depth is more compared to this depth. It means here the pressure is P1, here the pressure is P2. Of course P2 is greater than P1. जब P2 की वैल्यू P1 से ज़्यादा होगी, रीजन इज दैट प्रेशर इज गिवन बाई h rho g. h जहाँ ज़्यादा होगा वहाँ प्रेशर ज़्यादा होगा. सो P2 इज मोर देन P1. इट मीन्स F2 इज ग्रेटर देन F1. और जब F2 की वैल्यू F1 से ज़्यादा होगी तो ऊपर की तरफ एक फोर्स लगता है, उस फोर्स को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? बायंसी या बायंट फोर्स. एंड वन थिंग ऑल्सो यू आर सपोज टू नो, मर्करी इज द ओनली मेटल in the form of the liquid at room temperature.